Hello, our Desi and Pardesi friends. I'm Shweta
I'm Naveen.
and welcome to A Desi Abroad. Today I'm going to show you two variations of this dish. But before we start, we need to do a little bit of prep. So in a bowl, soak a lime-sized piece of tamarind in warm water, extract the juice and set aside. I will divide this pulp in two halves and use it in both the recipes. Now we need to dry roast a few ingredients. So here I've got 2 tablespoons of peanuts. We will dry roast them till they are toasted well. To this, add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds and continue to dry roast for another minute. Add 2 1-inch sticks of cinnamon, 5 cloves and 5 cardamoms. Dry roast for about 30 seconds and then add in 3 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Roast till golden brown and fragrant. Lastly, we add in 3 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. Dry roast this for a further 30 seconds and switch off the flame. Once cooled, transfer the ingredients to a grinding jar. Then add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon red chilli powder, salt to taste, and grind the paste to a thick consistency. The next step is to stuff the aubergines or baingans. For this, wash and dry 10 aubergines and put across slit as shown here. Stuff all the aubergines with the ground paste and set them aside. The leftover ground paste will be used in the curry preparation. The list of all the ingredients used in this recipe are mentioned in the description box below. Now to a pan, add 3 generous tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, toss in the aubergines. Saute them, cover and cook them, and make sure that they are tender but not mushy. Keep turning them as you cook. This will ensure that the baingans have cooked evenly. Once tender, transfer them onto a plate and set them aside. Now to the same pan, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let the cumin seeds splutter. To this, add in the paste of 1 medium-sized onion and saute for a bit. Add in a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add in 2 generous tablespoons of the ground paste. Saute well. Cover and cook till the oil starts separating from the gravy. Keep stirring occasionally, and after 10 minutes, you can see that the oil has started separating from the gravy. At this stage, taste and check for salt. In case you feel that the salt is less, then add in the required amount. Add in half of the tamarind pulp and mix well. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix well to ensure the flavor of the garam masala has blended well in the gravy. Add in the sautéed aubergines and cover and cook for 5 minutes on low heat. After 5 minutes, you can see that the oil has separated well from the gravy. At this stage, add about 1 teaspoon of crushed kasuri methi and 2 teaspoons of cashew powder. This will take the flavor of the dish to a whole new level. This style of making Bagare Baingan, where the gravy is thick, goes well with rotis or naan. Garnish with coriander and your yummy Bagare Baingan is ready to be served. In the second variation that I'm going to show you today, the gravy is of a thin but rich consistency. So let's see how we make it. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and wait for the seeds to splutter. Add the paste of 1 medium-sized onion and saute well. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. To this, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and saute till the raw smell of the ginger garlic is gone. Then add in 2 generous tablespoons of the ground paste. Mix well, cover and cook on low heat for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add half of the remaining tamarind water. Two tablespoons of yogurt. And half a glass of water. Cover and cook for 5 to 6 minutes on medium heat. Now we can see that the oil has separated from the gravy. So at this point, we add in the sauteed baingans or aubergines. Let it simmer on low heat for 5 minutes. The second variation of the delicious Bagara Baingan is ready to be served. This is a perfect accompaniment to any biryani, fried rice or pulao. Do try out the recipes and let us know which one is your favorite. If you have enjoyed watching this video, do like and subscribe to our channel to receive all the notifications of our latest recipes. See you soon in our next video with another mouth-watering recipe.